Hi everyone, today we will discuss about the .NET basics concepts. So what is the .NET we will learn. So before going to .NET, we will check what is the drawbacks of old languages. First one is developers, developers time is much more, time is much more it will take for developing the applications. Second one is debugging debugging also taking much more time, and third one is security also lesser, and fourth one is error handling technique also, error handling techniques also much lesser in old languages. To overcome those drawbacks we can for .NET. So what is the .NET? By using the .NET, everyone thinking is that .NET is a language, but .NET is not a language. .NET is a framework which supports up to 60 languages. In that 60 languages, Microsoft has developed some languages. One is C hash. It's called hash means C sharp .NET. Simply it is called a C sharp .NET. Second one is VB.NET is a one language. Third one is F hash is also a one language. Like JavaScript also one language. We can develop using these language. We can develop the applications by using .NET. We can create most of the all the types of applications we can create by using the .NET. One is a desktop applications. We can create by using .NET. Using desktop applications also we can create, which is used in the system only you can use. Second one is web-based applications. Web-based applications. Third one is cloud-based cloud-based applications. Fourth one is microservices. Fifth one is like gaming also, gaming type of applications also we can create. And the sixth is IoT types of applications also we can create by using the .NET languages. Using this, C# is the most powerful object-oriented programming language. Means what is the object-oriented programming language? We will discuss in the further session. So .NET is not a language, right? So what is the .NET? It is a framework, right? So what is the .NET framework contains? .NET framework contains, one is a BCL means base class library. Second one is CLR, and third one is the languages. So .NET contains these three topics. See, first one, coming to first is BCL. What is the BCL? It is a base class library, which means it is a large collection of reusable classes and data types, collections, and file handling, etc. It will be contains, base class library contains collection of reusable classes, data types, collections, and file handling. So what is the CLR? What is the CLR? It is a common language runtime. Common language means it is a execution engine of a .NET framework. CLR, it is a execution engine of a .NET framework. It manages the code execution. See how CLR it works. Simply I will give one rough diagram. You can easily understand. See, every language has its own compiler, right? So C language has its own compiler, C++ has its own compiler. Like that, C# also having its own compiler. So The hash also like contains it is a own compiler like JavaScript also, like that every language has their own compiler. So I will give one rough diagram. F hash compiler JS compiler, yes compiler, and then here MSL, one more concept is there. MSL, it is a Microsoft Intermediate language which contains in the CLR. So what MSL is? It is a platform independent. MSL, it is a platform independent. Whenever we are writing the, we can use any of these four languages. We can use one language. Whenever we can write the coding by using the C# language. But whenever the source code, that source code is converted into the MSL by a language specific compiler in the compile time of the CLR. So it is basically, it is a MSL, it is a compiled code library. It is a .exe file or DLL file. You can simply call it as a MSL file. One more concept is, it is a here one more JIT compiler also is there. JIT compiler. What JIT compiler is? JIT compiler, just in time compiler. It is a, whenever JIT compiler, it will converts into the MSL into machine code, which is generated by bytecode MSL, that will convert it into machine code, and then machine code obtained using the JIT compiler is then executed by the processor of the computer. Like execution. So this is the overall structure, how execution happening. So above these three is the, above these are our compiler time. So MSIL, these all are the DLL or exe files, and this JIT compiler to native code execution part is, it is a runtime. So this is the overall concept of how compiler is happen in .NET framework. You can learn in any language in .NET framework, either C#.NET or F#.NET and VB.NET, JavaScript.NET. You can learn one, it is enough. C Sharp, it is a fully object oriented programming language. It will provide the security and all the things it will be included. Debugging is very much, it is easy, and security purpose also, debugging purpose also, and timing purpose also. It will take much less time, and simply we can write the code by using the C Sharp language. C Sharp we learn in next session, in further session. Thank you very much.